And you see, one word, at force in Jasu, say, moreover, when he quoted the article, Article 35(7) of the next Constitution, enjoin governments to continue development projects initiated by previous administration in the national interest, abandoning an ongoing project to Asansono Vise. They have not can say Omutesika say Omude Kotwaso and also Asanso mind us. He just came from the ministry. It's all yes, and a budget allocation. So when we say there is a continuing of the project for now. I am funds are available for the continuing. Because Mami conclude. Abandon the ongoing project, one that is technically sound, economically justified because it's ongoing, and already delivering results, contradicts this constitutional directive and may set a precedent of wasteful governance. Okay, wasteful governance, what has it got? Or say way paswa. Yes. That is why he describes. He never says the project is wasteful.
It's more of advice. It's more of advice.
You can sense intellectual ability of Asenso and knowledge about a crime.
Yes. And maybe paragraph 2, second sentence, and say or say I was struck by the rules minister own admission that the ministry is in the process of hiring a consultant.
Now you say, Udi, Yahweh, me be see me die. Contractor, I'll be see die. Me in komo. Me drawings are me be see die.
Yes.
Plot no. Ye nyakra no so.
Debi.
Assassin crown me nyanya bi.
Ehu sika.
Then so we want this one who say ehu sika crown me be nyanya. Na some ka just say yaw. Na bosi o dan wo ayi dako. Me who so what to foundation. Me who say a 4-bedroom. Design ni bibia when you do lentil. And na wunwie. Now we just single room being put.
Yes, now we no nya fund now.
Dear we na crash as here. I want when it do hono.
Yes.
Yaw. We sir, you are wasting resources. Asenso sem no, the top engineer you.
Unless otherwise the Asenso code to said minister na catcher no.
I go just
so I go just to come out and then disprove what Asenso is saying in his letter.
Yeah, the politics.
Yeah, for politics no chain. At least say MPP ni kasa, CPP ni kasa, LPG ni kasa. There's
UP for Kasa.
UP for Kasa.
The soft spot of UP. Somebody is here.
My Lord, in this particular
I could hear the new sometimes
I used to have that soft spot
for the leader.
But especially when it was the MPP.
But now,
but in the party, no,
that soft spot
have what I same feelings for him. And I think this must be put to bed once and for all.
That there is no soft spot.
Reference to my affiliation with Alan Dudley.
Now I've put to bed this affiliation. Now the affiliation is Educhum.
No, so because I got one way of mechanic. And so who defected me?
This is serious encouragement.
No, but for defection to where?
The person who we are no.
Oh, yeah, wow.
They want to buy. Well, you only are privy to that information. You and I were not there.
You were there some.
I wasn't there.
Especially when my leader is on Monday. It's
joining me on Monday. How can you do this?
So for the next for more, we are not.
Oh, nobody. We cancel that. Major, please. let this be expunged out of the
Sompa morning show Hansard.
The morning show Hansard. Yeah, Grace, expunge this out.
Yes. Boss, let me say even these smaller parties or more kasa, there's a sense of intellectual clarity kakrebi ohono. What's your fa? And say a basa, we should put our emotions driven by ego and fun to baby.
Okay.
We should put our emotions driven by extreme political alienation and fun to baby.
Yaw.
Well, and komoya yedi emedesa sante ewa hasi. Ye communications na ye communication studies ye development communication. From the one ye be nyina de ba kwa lectures on handle ye nyina no mo ne yedi hu nkomo ye say akota edu ba bi e che obi political communication. Yes. And in political communication no wasemo a woka bia no should devoid of ambiguity,
clarity,
very clear, plain and simple. Yeah. And eno na di asenso boachinya no.
The word
akota the words now use here
like wasteful.
Yes. It's how wasteful ade bi na ode ba mu no. So kan a ewom
I was say wasteful governance.
Yes.
And no na to force
and to force na pick your home. And
but at the end of the day
politics at the end of the day metimi
Abia sense one for the word wasteful na be shewa ka ato force so enya the word wasteful nunca
o challenge agota
the wasteful being used by Santi here is different for the normal way.
It is true. It is true.
No can anyone say I'm sure
it is true, rightly put. And akota ye di nkomo we ho na me no mienu nyina no na me bebusa asem be say adai NDC government na be ka kire say the old dualization na ekoso no omuso omunye biewa na because omo kwa akoye sa 6 lane nti ebi omo de lecture bia ba bonte so omunye biewa na nti enu na masenso ade na ode baaye no obi a wo ono soso ne wonya adwene politically no ebetima pick certain yema be from letter no they attack you.
Okay.
Ato forcing wasn't that fully make can say entirely wrong sir, but next time ebia ye kasa knowing very well so political opponent ebetiewu ebekenken bi no we should be plain kakra simple and straightforward in our communication. Sabeya obi nkofa portions of ontutu mu and akotan komo we tutu na watutu mu baby e be still to no ato forcing and or the ababe kasa
but in
generality in totality no asenso no say yes say enne ye ni sika da ho say ye de yes 6 lane e kwan no a aban ne peso ye no 2 yenya contractor kra yenya ifie dodo a ye de be wie sa project na ye kwakwe no consultant ne ho ne amanema ye nyenwie ya Accra Kumasi highway na da ho no dada no still egusu kunipa so enti say aban dada no ayebi to the extent say oma ye dru bia be 50 something percent oma ye dru dualization your friend say or say the bypasses ni one oma ye bi kwa bi prior yes e bi e be 40 bi e be 50% ni ade a office say bia sa hoden na ye pese ye de kokoye 6 no onka se me yenye se sika wo no ma ye nkonko enemmom se sika ne wo no ma adan ni yenwie we no na nipa ewu ade achi ade sa wo sa kwan no so no at least yentimi enso so ano kakra dan se asiyesi ye de ahode nyina ekwakoye 6 no enti dada na eda ho no nipa ewu ye mfa ho se etese de ye mfa ho eno no de yes many honorable Francis Asenso Boakye adwene but another breath so no na me ka de akwakosi se akota sene asante ebo eka no otamfo sawasa no na abache ne se ne onsi nsama wo
ona beche
no na abache wata otamfo se me sasa ne se ntikone kosa se ono that moment no di obesa no a ebe ma se bi uhu aye amanfo ayi and obeye no and akota we nyina so political point.
I am surprised
What do you say
I am amazed that a member of parliament
or see in all this omu kenyina no obi a the score political point now na make can say me say akota he ababia the project ababia the program bi eba yes or the beboa yen but also sinetiko anase ni tirim so no or the best score political vote MPP de bae political 2020 elections MPP for to calculate say almost 1.70 million votes and the whole because free SHS in Kolano yes free SHS no de ba say
Kolano so to
de ba beboa yen o man se so money and
Abraham to abano na Kolano I register akotra fee.
It's true.
Government man go to about school.
Akota NDC ya kwan we ya. Nano na yedi nkomo kan say me say NDC votes omunya or regions we greater Accra even almost stronghold voter region. Vote omunya no Ashanti
679,000. Oh yes.
Akonta imagine say NDC awie sa project we. Na say
now obekuma say catch say.
No obekuma say begina kuma say.
Ya mo kwa mama na to abama
yen NDC fo a mo say yen pemasem no. Yen ya yesa kwan we ya mamu say kanea na mo de 6 hours and 4 hours and twa kwan konkran no say mo di 2 hours.
Unya accident
so shim na wo ko ba
to mamia
enye
also MPP
into onto enti ya koye nimu no enema ni bi wono mo a wo ya dey a wo tamfo ho you mean well enti mo nimra ho so na
ya o kasa na opeso ka
obi gira ba bi obesa wasa de bone
asenso god now you see say omo anye sa ability to wasteful governance. It was rightly put. Fine, open so politics now, yeah. But out of the politics now, babayan. Where's some no can no cribby woman?
And this is all in your finana. That's it. So then it becomes wasteful.
Fine, woman cast woman to me. But then a quino yet was one now, young to us ye. A him for a quino do. Expert of free horses here, a render. Na twenchre e dia maw. It is born unto you. What I want to see say. You can choose to take or not to take. But
don't twist it.
You see, that is where my problem is. That is where my problem is.
As a basa no pay now was of the aba politics. You see, if you are not careful, you will pick an infograph. Ade Akye Abia, GH1. Yeah, Grace, but the infograph be mal. Shade, GH1.
Okay.
Former Roads Minister Francis Asenso has written to President Mahama to stop the construction of the commercial expressway, describing the project as faithful. What the atofo say asemo kai no ato one year research bia one conclude bibia and one infograph no say Asenso asa bata ho obia wo ya na uko ase on my comments no
he quoted a atofo
Kobe Usu Perez no Asanto Boakye Asantuma Dawasepa this year no na all of a sudden no babe Kwame Tuel
to na person make fast I dey
why you straightforward or you simple or no plain words
but apart from Nija me was and so
me point to engage in about a second. MPP as a political party must make their stance known as far as express road is concerned. My point in 1992, you will say there was a protest in parliament from MPP. MPP for the free SHS, a free event, a health insurance, NDC
working out in
ESLA, NDC for so they ban MPP for working out, MPP for SID, a free SHS, or more advert, whatever, and now NDC for express road we are. Next year, we make a month for us. I say, 1 year or more, you be a number of Satia. And that you bar, and Jibba say, a papa will employ no.
I would a quite wait. No, sorry, as a Kufaro catches some naysayers said, the same thing now happened. So we are careful. I say, Abeka said, we also say, Umpe Asantema.
A lot of headlines are you share no so. A speaker and somehow can't fuck Pandino and Nema Bibriwa, you better say, the former minister, and that's Mam Yabeka, Babos, and the Mammy credit.
Yeah, one pennicar no for minimum dintia.
I would Boakye na Boakye de your betting and asuma no pay Boakye Boakye na fuka kraka no say nkwala di mu pilo lobo and akota Boakye ba fie ha say enra and Boakye say campaign na obeye no fie say mo obeye akota de Boakye de beye mo fie ha say pa enra
e fa o ka ho
wo fred jako behwedi ntia ya bo amaka ho ye fin ade ohura ka no o start ya kwa na
yawe na ye peja ye chena no kramu ni
akonta
amesraw roka no mam because dani no na ebre kwanye no job e wie kwanye no wie ka asan no wie ka akonta kakrana ye ko hu engineer na wa nya no